Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the best gadgets to enhance your daily life. Today, we're featuring a must-have kitchen companion, the best 6-pack small digital kitchen timer with magnetic back. Whether you're an aspiring chef, a busy parent, or someone who simply enjoys cooking, this digital timer is designed to make your culinary experiences more efficient and enjoyable. First off, let's take a closer look at the features that make this timer stand out. This product comes as a set of 6 timers, each with a compact size and a colorful design. You'll receive a mix of vibrant colors including blue, purple, and green, adding a splash of color to your kitchen or classroom. With dimensions of approximately 2.68 inches in height and 2.44 inches in width, these timers are easy to handle and won't take up much space on your countertop or desk. One of the standout features of this timer is its magnetic back, allowing you to attach it securely to your refrigerator, blackboard, or any metal surface. This means you can keep it within easy reach while you're cooking or engaged in other activities. The design also includes a large display, which is easy to read from a distance, ensuring you can keep track of your timing without straining your eyes. The timer operates with a simple 3-button system that controls minutes, seconds, and start/pause functions. It can count up to 99 minutes and 99 seconds, making it suitable for various tasks, from boiling eggs to timing workouts. The memory mode is particularly convenient, as it remembers the last set time, saving you the hassle of reprogramming it for repetitive tasks. You won't have to worry about missing your timer going off, either. This device features a loud audio bell, ensuring you'll hear it even in a noisy kitchen or gym environment. It's perfect not only for cooking but also for use in fitness training, games, and classroom settings, making it a versatile addition to your household or workspace. When using the timer, just press the corresponding buttons to set your desired time. The intuitive layout makes it user-friendly, even for children or individuals who may not be tech-savvy. The lightweight plastic construction makes it portable, allowing you to take it along to outdoor gatherings, cooking classes, or even when you're at the gym. In summary, the best 6-pack small digital kitchen timer with magnetic back is an excellent investment for anyone who values efficiency in the kitchen or other activities. With its practical features, user-friendly design, and affordability, priced at just $6.59 for the pack, this timer set offers exceptional value. Whether you're cooking, exercising, or managing time in the classroom, these timers will help you stay organized and on track. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on the best products to enhance your everyday life. Happy timing, and see you in the next video.